Hello and welcome to Pabbly. So in this video, we are going to learn how to add posts to Nuelink from new Airtable record. Now suppose guys, if you're using Nuelink to schedule content for your social media platform, this automation is going to help you a lot. In this automation, whenever we are going to add the details of a new content, a new post like the image and the caption into your Airtable database, automatically with the same details, the same media, the same image or video will be added as a post to the collection in your Nuelink account. So if you want to know how you can use this automation, follow me through this video. So here guys, you can see that we are on Pabbly Connect's dashboard. So in this video, we are going to use Pabbly Connect, which is our automation and integration platform. And to reach this dashboard, you will get a sign up link of Pabbly Connect in the description box below. By clicking on that link, you can create your free Pabbly Connect account in just 2 minutes. And after reaching to this dashboard, just click on create workflow and give this workflow a name. For example, I would like to name my workflow as Airtable to Nuelink, and then just click on create. Now you can see that our workflow is open over here. And in this workflow, we have two different windows. First one is the trigger window and second one is the action window. So triggers and actions are basically those two concepts, those two principles on which this whole automation works on, where the trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. So let's begin with our trigger window. Now the idea here is, first we are going to connect our Airtable account with Pabbly Connect so that every time a new record, a new post details like caption and the media image URL is been added in Airtable, automatically these details will be captured inside Pabbly Connect. And after that, using Pabbly Connect, we are going to send those new post details to Nuelink to add that post into the Nuelink collection. Now let's see how it is done. Here in trigger window, in choose apps, search for Airtable and select it. After selecting Airtable in trigger event from the drop-down, select new record as the trigger event. Then just click on connect and select add new connection. So here guys, we are going to connect our Airtable account with Pabbly Connect in this section. And to make this connection, we have to enter the API token of our Airtable account. So here you must be thinking how you can get this API token. So to get it, just go to your Airtable account. From the right top corner, just go to your profile and then go to Developer Hub. After coming to this Developers Hub page, here you can see a list of all the personal access token which I have created in my Airtable account can be seen over here. To create a new token, click on this create new token button, give this token a name, for example, I'll name it as Pabbly. And then here we have to enter the scope. So to enter the scope, click on this add a scope button and then one by one here we have to select all the scopes over here and from this drop down. So here when you will refer to the help text given below over here in this connection window, you can see in scope we have to select all of these scopes given in this bracket. So one by one we are going to select all the scopes from the drop down. So let's select them. And this is it. After selecting all the scope, it is asking us for the action. That on our Airtable account, access to which particular Airtable base we want to give to this connection. Click on this add a base button and here just select all current and future bases over here. And then after this, just click on create token. And this is it. Just now we have created a new token in our Airtable database. Just copy this token from here, go to Pabbly Connect and paste it over here. And then just click on save. And when we click on save, we will see our Airtable account will get connected with Pabbly Connect. After making this connection, the first thing it asks us is the base. That in our Airtable account, the details or the new post from which particular base we want to receive inside Pabbly Connect. So here in base in the drop down, you can see a list of all the bases which we have created in our Airtable account can be seen over here. Out of all of this, the base which we are going to use in this video is named as content over here. So content sheet is the name of the base. Let me show you over here. So content sheet, from this particular base, we want to get the new post details. So let's search for that particular base content sheet. After selecting our Airtable base, next thing it asks us is the table. So right now in this particular Airtable base, we have only one table named as new content. So here in the drop down, we can see only one table over here. Just select it. Then it is asking us for the trigger field. So here guys, what we have to do, this help text says that in our Airtable database, in the table which we have created, after entering all the details, after creating all the columns, at last we have to create a column named as created, as written over here. And the field type will be created time. In this way guys, whenever the data, a new record is added into this Airtable database, it will automatically detect, it will automatically note the date and time, that at what date and time this new record, this new data is added in Airtable. And this field is going to be a trigger field. So here in the drop down you can see that created, this field is selected by default as a trigger field. After selecting the trigger field, when we will click on save and send test request, the details of the last record, the most recent record which was added in this table will be received inside Pabbly Connect. So here in Airtable you can see that right now we have only one record, and when we click on this save and send test request button, the details of the same record will be received inside our Pabbly Connect workflow. And yes, here you can see that we have received some response, and in this response you can see the same record details. Here you can see the same image URL which we have received or which we have added in Airtable. Then here you can see the same date and time from the created field. You can see the same caption, hello, this is a demo caption as we have written over here, and the same created time as well. This means guys, the step 1 of setting up this automation is completed. We have successfully received the new record details, the new post details from Airtable inside Pabbly Connect. Now after this, let's move to step 2. And in step 2, we have to send these same details to Nuelink so that the media URL, the URL or the link of the video or the image which we have in Airtable, we can add this media as a post in Nuelink. For that, just scroll down, come to our action window, and here in choose apps, search for Nuelink. Just select it. After selecting Nuelink, in action event from the drop down, select add post to collection as the action event. Click on connect and select add new connection. So here guys, we have to connect our Nuelink account with Pabbly Connect. And to make this connection, click on this connect with Nuelink button. And then here guys, you can see that because I have already logged into my Nuelink account in my browser, Pabbly Connect has detected the same account. Now it is asking us that the access to which collection in our Nuelink account we want to give to Pabbly Connect. So here we have selected the brand, and here in the drop down you can see we have two different options of collection, general and draft. So in my Nuelink account, here you can see that right now we have two different collections, the same collection, general and draft over here. So out of all of the collection, the access to which collection we want to give to Pabbly Connect. So I want to create this new post in this collection named as general. So we are going to select that collection over here and click on give access to general. After this, we will see our Nuelink account will get connected with Pabbly Connect. And after making this connection, the first thing it asks us is the caption. So here guys, in caption, we have to enter the same caption which we want to add to the post which we are creating in Nuelink. So we have added the caption in our Airtable record, and we have received this Airtable record response in Pabbly Connect in the trigger window. So from these responses, we have to map this response of caption which we have over here. Hello, this is a demo caption in this field of caption. So let's map it. And guys, the process of mapping is very simple. Simply click on this field, and here in this drop down, you can see a list of all the responses which we have received from Airtable. Out of all of these responses, select this response of caption and it will be mapped. So whatever caption we are going to enter in this column of caption while adding a new record in Airtable, the same caption, with the same caption, a new post will be created in Nuelink. After entering the caption, it is asking us for the media, that what is the URL, what is the link of the file of the image or the video which we are adding as a post in Nuelink. So we have received the media URL, media link from Airtable as well, and here it is. So we are going to map this same media link over here. Just click here, and from the drop down, map the media link, the file link over here. After media link, we have other fields as well, like alt text, title, share to feed, and post as short. And all of these fields are not mandatory, not required. This is why we can ignore these fields for now. If you want to add this media file or URL, or you can add some details, if you want to add some details in these fields, you can add those details, that data in your Airtable record as well. And after that, just scroll down and click on save and send test request. And after clicking on save and send test request, here you can see that we have received some response. And this response seems to be a success response to us, which means the media URL which we have added over here, this same media with this caption has been added as a new post in our Nuelink account. So let's check it. We'll go to Nuelink, we'll open this collection named as general, which we have connected. We'll go to the post section and then we will just scroll down. And yes guys, here you can see that, hello, this is a demo caption. The same caption which we have added in our Airtable record, with the same caption, a new image is been added as a post in our Nuelink account. And here guys, you can see that this is the exact same image whose link we have added over here in Airtable. So we'll just open this link and you can see this is the exact same image opened in front of us over here. This means the automation workflow which we have created in this video is working perfectly fine. And using this automation, whenever a new record is created in Airtable, automatically the details of that new record will be received inside Pabbly Connect, and the media URL, the photo or the video link which we are going to add within that record, the same post will be added in our Nuelink account with the same caption. Now here guys, after setting up this automation, let's test this automation workflow once in real time. And let's add the details of a new caption, a new post over here in Airtable. For example, the caption is, this is a real-time test. This is the caption. Now let's add a media URL over here as well. So here I have already copied the link. Let me paste it. And this is it. You will see as we add a new record, the date and time of this new record adding is been automatically added over here in this created field. Now here guys, after adding this new record, what we have to do, we just have to wait for 10 minutes. And we have to wait for 10 minutes because the connection of Airtable and Pabbly Connect is a polling based connection. And in this type of connection, Pabbly Connect will check for a new record, new data in our Airtable database every 10 minutes. So let's wait for a few minutes over here. Okay, so we have successfully waited for 10 minutes. Now let's check our Nuelink account. We'll go to Nuelink and then we are going to refresh this collections page once. After this, let's scroll down. And yes, here you can see that the same image whose link we have added in Airtable, this is the exact same image which is added as a new post in our Nuelink account. Here we have this image and you can see the image which was added in Nuelink over here. Here it is. And then you can see the same caption which we have added in our Airtable record. This is a real-time test. So we have tested this automation in real time and it is working perfectly fine. So not just these applications, you can connect plenty of other applications with Pabbly Connect. And one more important thing, you will find the clone link of this exact same workflow in the description box below. By clicking on that link, you can clone the same workflow into your own Pabbly Connect account and use this automation workflow for free. Also, let me tell you, Pabbly Connect offers you a free plan. And in this plan, you will get some free tasks every month into your own Pabbly Connect account. So if you want to try and test this automation, you can do it for absolutely free.
If you have any kind of doubts or queries, you can post them on forum.pabbly.com. So if this video was helpful to you, you can obviously like this video, comment down your suggestions, and don't forget to share it with others. So guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you. Have a great day.